Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to save messages on Telegram Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So open your Telegram app and open any conversation, and to save any message, long press the message which you want to save and tap on forward and tap on saved message and tap on send. So the message has been saved, and to see your saved message you will get here the button or option saved message. So open the conversation and here you'll find your saved messages, and now you can select any message to delete from save. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.